guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex, Audio Tech. We got an unboxing. It's what's the name of the speaker? Jesus, I already forgot the name of the speaker. This is the Tronsmart. The affiliate link will be provided down below. The Tronsmart SE. Bluetooth speaker with RGB or LED lights. IPX6 or IPX7 waterproof. 40 watts of power, 24-hour battery life. It is a power bank as well. So here we go in its full glory. Okay, so this one's called the Bang SE. Okay, I'm sorry. This one's called. The other one that I unboxed was the Bang. This is the Bang SE. I ordered it today from Amazon, and it came today. I actually ordered it at 5 o'clock in the morning, and it got here. So love being an Amazon Prime member, same day delivery. They keep their promise. So here we go. Super powered. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, you guys know I'm dyslexic. 24 hours of playback time. IPX6 waterproof. You see, not water resistant, waterproof. Okay. And of course you can pair with other sound, Tronsmart speakers. It has the app, but the app doesn't control this speaker for some reason. So Tronsmart, if you see this, make an update so where the app has controlled this speaker as well, not just the Bang one. Okay, it comes with straps. Let's see the back of the speaker. Okay, it has the light show, of course, like I was saying. Let's see what else. Fast wireless syncing. Okay, and that's about it. So let's get this thing open, guys. Let's get this unboxing on the road. So I'm using my knife. I love this knife. I call this one Excalibur. This thing is nice. 2D blade. Okay, got that open super fast. So of course, we're gonna be unboxing it backwards. So now, let me see, how is it? Let me stand up because I forget how is that. Okay, there we go. Let's see, that's what I had to look at. Now, there we go. Boom, here goes the speaker in its full glory. Okay, what's in the box? The straps, the USB type A to USB type C, rechargeable cord, so charge your devices, and then of course the aux cable. So that's what's in here. Put that back in there. And here goes the speaker in its full glory, guys, in its full glory. Love the way this speaker looks. I just love the way it looks. So let's get this powered up. Okay, so no, let me do that. Remember, in the comment section down below, the affiliate link is going to be available. It's on sale right now for $59.99. This is a $90 speaker. It used to be like $120, and they dropped it down to $90 this year. And right now it's on sale for $60. $59.99, whether you are Amazon, I think whether you are Amazon Prime member or not, you can check it out by hitting that link and buying yourself one. It supports the channel, guys. So when I recommend these speakers and you guys purchase them, please make sure you purchase through the affiliate link because it really helps out the channel. That's a great way to help out the channel and makes it easier for me to get more of these devices to review for you guys, these speakers. So we got the USB type A to, of course, type C, type to lightning port, whatever, for reverse charging. We got the USB type C to charge. We got the aux cable, and we got the micro SD card slot in the back. And this flap is, you got to make sure this flap is on here tight. Tight. So this is the new one I own. I do got one that I own that I was going to do the review on, but I decided to buy a new one just so I could do this unboxing video because I love this speaker. Wanted to have a spare one. So anyway, let's get this show on the road. There we go. Okay, it does have the buttons for the light show. So we are going to sync it with my iPhone 15 Pro. My T-Mobile business iPhone. So let's look for, see, and that's what it comes out under. Tronsmart Bang SE. So that's what this speaker's called. See, and now you know you're paired. So now let's go to non-copyrighted music on YouTube. Oh God, I was in the right channel and I got out of it. Okay, here we go. No copyright. Copyright free music. Okay, let's go to this song. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. Hold on, let's go to another one. And look, YouTube, copyright free music. And this is a 40-watt speaker, but it sounds way louder than 40 watts. So here goes the different light modes. So that's like 4 different light modes. This is my favorite one though. Halfway, all the way up, baby. Love the bass. It down some so you guys can hear me. This also is the bass button, so we're gonna turn on the bass right now, right here. This SP button. There we go. That's to give it extra bass. Just switched to another non-copyrighted song. YouTube. I don't want no beef with you guys. Let's listen to my favorite one. I love the bass on this one. That's why this one's non-copyrighted YouTube. The bass is hitting harder now, guys. love the speaker. This is my new one. I do have one of my first shorts is the speaker, my old one that I bought back in 2023, I believe. Yeah, 2023. So I have another one that's like 2 years old. I bought it like January, maybe February. I think like February of 2023. And I love that speaker. You know, it has a lot of scratches, of course, because it's 2 years old. And I just decided to get another one. You know, I love this speaker. This is a high quality. It says 40 watts, but it sounds more like 60 or maybe 80 watts. It sounds louder than my other speakers that say claim 80 watts, and this is louder. Louder, richer, and more high definition. That's what I like to say. So Tronsmart is a great company. One of these days, I'm going to get their biggest speaker. I think it's like 160 watts. Right now, I don't have the money for it, though, guys. I like keeping it 100 with you guys, you know, being honest. So definitely a great speaker, like I said, man. You can turn the RGB lights off if you want. See, there's 3 different modes, and then completely off. I know a lot of people like these RGB lights, though. You guys love these lights. You know, so definitely, like I said, a great speaker. The affiliate link will be provided down in the comment section down below. It does help out the channel a lot because I'm not getting paid on this channel. So if you guys see commercials, I'm not getting paid for those commercials. So yeah, man. Thank you for the continuous support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything, man. I appreciate you guys. That's why I keep pushing out this content for you guys. But yeah, man, a great speaker I want to highly recommend. And what I love about these speakers is that I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. For some reason, YouTube Music is better for bass than Apple Music. And I just gotta be honest, because I pay both subscriptions. YouTube Music, YouTube Premium, that brings the YouTube Music. And I also pay for iTunes, you know, Apple Music, you know. So, and to me, these speakers have more bass and sound louder on YouTube Music than it does on Apple Music. It's just me personally being subscribed to both subscriptions and playing different speakers on both platforms, on the iTunes platform, on the Apple Music platform, and on the YouTube Music platform. And for some reason, the YouTube Music platform even sounds louder. It just does, and the bass hits harder. So, you know, I want you guys to keep that in mind too. You know, keep that in mind. What I just played was YouTube. So, you know, in case you play Apple Music, oh, well, it doesn't sound as loud as Alex Audio Tech said. That's why I'm explaining it. You know, the speakers sound louder and more bass when they have when YouTube Music than what they do with Apple Music. So hopefully one of these updates, Apple decides to fix that. I might have to do a comparison, seriously, one of these days. I want it to be fair, so I want it to be both same speakers. So I'll pull this brand new one out and the old one that I got that I had for 2 years. And I'll put, you know, either this one on, I'll put this one on YouTube Music, the other one on Apple Music, and we'll see the bass difference and we'll see the quality of the sound difference. I want to do that too, side by side, you know. I want to do more things on this channel. So yeah, thank you for the continued support. Like I said, support the channel by buying these speakers that I recommend, because all these videos have affiliate links on the link. It really helps out the channel a lot. Something is better than nothing, is like I like to say. So help out the channel by clicking on that affiliate link and buying it from my affiliate link. I would be highly appreciated, guys. And like I said, overall, I love the speaker, love the RGB lights, love that it has the lights on the passive radiators, you know, passive radiators. So I love that, you know. I love the design of the speaker. I love that it's 24-hour life. Like I said, I had it for 2 years and it's still kicking ass. So definitely recommend it. That's why I decided to buy a new one. Dímelo. Ajá. Como tres. All right. Bye. So, that was my brother. He called me by mistake. So yeah, so definitely an overall great speaker, guys, that I highly recommend. You guys seen the bass on it. You guys seen the sound quality. It says 40 watts. To me, it gives me like 60 or 80. And I'm going to do conspiracy speak. You know, I'm going to do competition like everybody else does here. I want to do the same thing. Who's louder? Who sounds better between all these speakers that I own? I'm going to get around to that. First, I want to do these unboxings and these reviews first. So yeah. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button. It helps out the algorithm, get it out to more people. And I appreciate you guys. So, you know, take care. God bless and be safe. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one, guys. You all ready? And thank you for watching.